should be embarrassed because you're acting like a shitty parent. You're stealing in front of your kids and you're going to jail.
That's what you pay.
Stop.
They're embarrassing me.
Stop.
Look at my kids, please, because they're embarrassing me.
Sit down. Sit down.
Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground.
Sit down.
They're choking me. They're choking me.
On June 3rd, 2024, a Florida Walmart retail theft escalated into a 5-count criminal arrest.
Hey, police, go with them. You're not resisting them because you're detained for shoplifting. Go over there.
I just paid for it.
Get in the office.
I guess, come on.
Your ID?
I don't have it on me. It's in the car. And I don't
Okay,
even
take
have
the bag
it.
off from me. Take the bag off.
For what?
Take the bag off.
What are
Stop.
you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Stop.
Because
You're
he's
going to
trying to
catch
put
more
my head,
charges.
he's putting my hands behind my back. I don't know, bro.
Stop.
They're embarrassing me.
Stop
Look
resisting.
at my kids, please, because they're embarrassing me. I didn't do anything.
Sit down. Sit down. You're going to jail.
For what?
You resisted me and them. Sit down.
I didn't resist
Sit
anybody.
down.
What are you talking
Shut up.
about? I didn't even do anything to resist anything. What the hell? Pour it out. Pour it out. There's nothing in there.
Oh, okay.
I already paid for that.
No, she paid for that. That's the only thing she paid for.
Call the people that are in
I don't
the
care.
store,
Sit
'cause
down.
My kids can't
Sit
be
down.
in here with them. With us.
Sit down.
Literally, she's
Sit
crying.
down.
Answer
Sit
the phone.
down. You're doing this. You're acting a fool in front of them.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
I
you
didn't do
are.
anything
Shut
in
up.
front of them.
Shut up.
We're on the grocery side by the wine. Screaming.
Nobody's coming in here.
They're pushing me. Come get my kids. They're doing crazy shit to me, man. They're doing crazy shit to me right now. Y'all give me a hug because they don't like black people. Give me a hug.
No, you should be embarrassed because you're acting like a shitty parent.
No, I'm not. I didn't do
Yes, you are. You're stealing in front of your kids and you're going to jail.
That's what you paid for only. That. You didn't pay for any of this.
I paid for
This stuff under here.
I will get my credit card out and pay for everything right now if you want me to do that. But can you please not make my kids stand right here? Like, I promise to God, I will do that. If that's the issue. Like, please don't let them stand right here. I will pay with cash.
You didn't have to come with this.
The EBT wouldn't go through. That's the only reason. I will pay the cash if that's the issue. The EBT did not go through. It wasn't swiped because it broke or something.
It wasn't a swipe, there was no cashier in there.
That's...
They couldn't
Don't cry, it's okay. I'm on the grocery side in the door next to the thing, the front door. No, you're not at the right door. We don't hear anything right here. And I thought that was in the car. I swear to God. I did not grab you, bro.
I have you on video right here, grabbing my arm. You even cut my finger.
You pushed me.
I did not touch you.
Bro, yes you did. Bring the camera up.
Right here. You grabbed my arm and I never once
And you
touched
pushed me just right
never
there.
once touched you. My hands were on my phone and on the car.
Can you take them outside, please?
172. I'm 1015.
Or 1015. You're gonna be on the video here.
Okay, it's okay.
We're not going to keep talking.
What do you mean?
I'm taking this off of you because we're not going to have somebody on the phone while you're under arrest.
You're not gonna do what? You're not gonna do what? I'm sorry?
You're not talking to anybody.
County dispatch ran the pad and verified.
Why are you acting like that towards me like I did something aggressive? I didn't do anything
You are.
aggressive.
You're resisting.
I didn't resist anything.
Okay, bullshit.
What did I
It's
resist?
all on camera.
What did I resist?
Okay. We're gonna play stupid.
What did I resist though?
I'm done talking.
Let me know what I
You're just
resisted.
going to jail. It's okay. That's all you need.
What
to know.
did I resist?
Okay.
If you want me to pay the cash money, I can pay cash instead
You're
of
not paying
EBT.
nothing because you had the chance to do it and you didn't.
I didn't.
Yep.
EBT wouldn't go through.
Cool. And so you walked out of the store with all their. Excuse me.
Can I get the car keys real fast?
You got your ID on you?
Or car
Sit down.
For her car keys?
Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
Because I paid for
All right. Well,
No, I just need her
I'm
kids'
not
stuff.
releasing any property to you unless
You're gonna do what the f they're asking.
Hold on, wait.
Sit down.
Because you're pissing me off. At this point, I'm about to resist. At this point,
And
I'm
you're gonna
going
get
to
thrown
jail
on the
anyway.
ground. Sit.
Throw me on the ground.
Sit down. Sit down.
Throw me on the ground. Throw me on the ground. Throw me on the ground.
Sit down.
They're choking me! They're choking me!
I got video.
Hey, send me another unit.
Ain't no one choking me.
He just put his hand around my throat!
You just now you
He just put his hand around my throat!
No problem.
Are you serious?
We have cameras all over.
So pull it up then! He just put his hand around my throat! No! He just put his hand around my throat!
Far from.
What is your name?
Choking you.
What is your name?
You just battered a law enforcement out.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you just charged at me and you
I
told
stood
me.
up like this.
Yeah, now you're getting in my face again.
You're taking
Sit
me to jail
down.
anyway.
She's being trespassed fully.
You're taking me to jail anyway. I don't live in Florida anyway.
So
You think I
you're taking.
care? I don't care.
Let me
I don't
understand
live
this.
here.
Hey, let me understand this. You're going to jail anyway, so add more crimes. Is that what you're doing?
I'm going to
You're
jail
gonna be
anyway.
more-
You're going to
you're
be a bitch anyway. You're being a bitch since you walked up to me because I didn't resist anything.
You resisted
You've been
them. Walked away.
I didn't
Then
resist
you resisted
anything.
me. Yes, you
I didn't
did.
resist anything with
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You said police. I turned around. Straight up. I did.
Yeah, and then when I put you in handcuffs, you pulled away. You
No,
did
I
stuff.
did not.
Sure.
We were already in this
Sit
room.
down. Sit down.
I didn't have to walk in this room.
Okay. Sit down.
What do you mean?
Shut the fuck up and sit down.
Don't tell me to shut
Sit
the
down.
fuck up.
Sit down. Sit down.
Kill me.
All right.
Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
I have
Watch
kids
out.
crying. I just need.
Oh, Lord. You're not gonna let me stand up? Bro, let me stand up,
No.
bro!
Then stand up and stop dead weighting yourself.
Shut the f up, cause you racist or something, bro. You aggressing me the whole
Let's
time.
go.
Calm down.
Record everything.
They're all racist.
Record everything.
Calm down.
Get in the car.
Did you record him dragging me
Get
on
in the
floor?
car. Get in the car. Cool. Come record this. Yeah. Come record her resisting.
Cause you talking to me, you doing crazy. Come here.
Stop kicking me.
Ah! Stop pushing me then.
Get in the car.
Let me get in. You're an asshole, racist ass bitch. That's what you are.
I think you're racist.
No, you are. Cause I didn't do anything until you aggressively handed me.
Okay.
They didn't do nothing until you aggressively handed
And
me.
then you kicked me in the face.
Nothing. I didn't kick you.
Okay.
She was hitting me and pulling me and sliding me on the ground. What do you mean?
Yeah, because you dead weighted. You're resisting
Are you
again.
serious?
Yep. Okay.
What is your name and badge number?
It'll be on your arrest report. Is there a video of her resisting? Was there one right there by my cruiser?
That's what he's looking at now. Look
Okay.
for now. Took a good chunk out of my finger.
Yeah, she kicked me when I got her out in the car. You okay?
Yeah, just cut me.
Where is it at?
Right here.
I'll have to take a picture. What did she do? How did that happen?
She, like, at this point right here, where I'm right here, I have a hold of the buggy, and then she grabs a hold of my wrist, and when she does that, my finger gets sliced by the buggy. But yeah, it's pretty deep. Stings like a mother. Good job, man.
Yeah, no. I don't understand. Like, she's like, get my kids out of here so she can act the fool even more.
Well, they even her kids, because the other girl was sitting in the door and said,
Those are my kids.
my kids.
Yeah.
You can say it if she ain't gonna be listening. She's hollering.
And that's right there. That's what I'll do. If she wants to keep recording, we can trespass her too.
Let me roll down the window so you can just tell her not welcome back on the property.
So you're not going to be allowed back when you want.
About you telling me nothing. I
I
don't live here. Bye.
You've been trespassed.
I don't give a fuck.
So we're in a So,
Do you want me to take a picture of
can
that?
you just go ahead and like just refresh my mind?
Okay.
So she
She was at
tried
the
to pay
self-check.
with the EBT.
No. So she was at the self-check.
Yeah.
She scanned stuff. She was concealing stuff under the bags.
Okay.
She had them cancel it. They went to a register where she only paid for the Dr. Pepper and then walked out.
Okay.
And when I was over there, she grabbed my arm and
Can I take a picture of
Yeah.
your?
of course it's right before I have to go home.
She grabbed this arm.
Yeah, she grabbed this arm and pushed down. I got video of it.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. This analysis examines the legal framework. Florida Statute Section 812.015 authorizes merchant privilege detention, the right to hold a suspected shoplifter for a reasonable time without a warrant. Loss prevention held direct observation and video evidence of active merchandise concealment, establishing probable cause before the officer arrived. Under Atwater versus City of Lago, Vista, decided in 2001, probable cause authorizes a custodial arrest for any offense, including misdemeanors. Physical resistance during the arrest created a second independent felony. Under Nelson versus State, a 1991 Florida 3rd District Court of Appeal decision, no legal right to resist a lawful arrest exists, regardless of the subject's belief about its legality. Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting with violence, carries up to 5 years in Florida State Prison. Force analysis proceeds under Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. Courts assess 3 factors: severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat to safety, and whether she is actively resisting. Sustained physical resistance, including grabbing the officer's wrist and kicking him at the patrol vehicle, shifts the Graham calculus toward justifying escalated control techniques. The phone seizure is governed by Riley versus California, decided in 2014. Riley bars warrantless searches of phone contents incident to arrest. Physically removing a phone to terminate a call is legally distinct from accessing its digital contents. No content search appears on this footage. No Riley violation occurred. The neck restraint allegation is the most consequential unresolved issue in this footage. Florida agencies restrict carotid holds to situations justifying lethal force. A retail theft of $95 does not approach that threshold. Store surveillance was present throughout the encounter. That footage is determinative and must be reviewed by any investigating authority. Officers threatened to trespass a bystander, recording the arrest from outside the patrol vehicle. The 11th Circuit, in Smith versus City of Cumming, decided in 2000, recognized recording law enforcement as a constitutionally protected activity. Directing someone to stop recording solely and to suppress documentation violates that precedent. The subject was charged with 2 felonies: battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute Section 784.07 and resisting with violence under Section 843.01, along with 3 misdemeanors. Conviction on all counts carries more than 10 years in state prison. The arresting officer receives a B-. Probable cause was properly established, backup was called at the right moment, and force was proportional to active, sustained resistance. However, calling the subject a, quote, shitty parent, announcing force in emotionally charged terms, and directing profanity at a detainee fell well below professional standards. These statements accelerated the confrontation. They did not resolve it. The unverified neck restraint allegation, if confirmed by store surveillance, would substantially lower this grade. The subject receives a D. The theft was deliberate, multi-step concealment, followed by exit without payment. Post-arrest offers to pay create no legal defense under Florida law. Each act of physical resistance, the pulled handcuffing, the grabbed wrist, the kick, constituted a separate criminal charge. Demanding a legal explanation for an arrest is a legitimate right. Physical resistance is never the lawful response to that question. Walmart loss prevention receives a B for methodical documentation, proper invocation of merchant privilege, and appropriate attention to the children present. 3 legal principles emerge from this encounter. First, under Florida law, retail theft is legally complete at the point of exit. A subsequent offer to pay carries no legal weight in prosecution. Second, physically resisting a lawful arrest is itself a felony under Florida statute. Section 843.01. The correct remedy is a legal challenge afterward, not physical confrontation at the scene. Third, officer verbal conduct is a professional standard binding at all times. Escalatory language is a tactical failure that can be raised in civil and disciplinary proceedings. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel for more content.